Yeah.
He sat on the suitcase and broke the wheel. Oh, the wet room looks nice. The bed is pretty big. Here's a TV. They said the Wi-Fi is on the TV somewhere. Our room is facing the main street down there. And that's the river that goes along this way. Yeah, that's a Don Quixote. It closes at 3 a.m. I'm finally gonna be able to go. Crazy. These are all Don Quixote floors, I think. Look, it goes all the way up. I'm gonna be spending there after we go eat dinner, ramen tonight. Found the pajamas. And then in here are the kettle, mugs, tea. There's an outlet here. That's what it does. Entrance. The room must be up. Homie not waiting. Let's try. I got the creamy. The yolk is so red.
And it tastes really good.
Yes. Got the minstrel soup, lemon and lime tea with honey, and French toast, croissant, and salmon. A lot of shops in there and food. You're holding it like a baby. Oh, it jiggled. Oh, we just got the amberjack. Go eat, see how it be. I'm gonna put adobe and okay, we're gonna try swordfish for the first time.
Not bad.
Not bad. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, find that stuff. They're both
Yeah. What is this one?
Crab, salmon roll, egg custard.
This one is what?
Black sesame.
No, the ice cream? The ice cream is black sesame?
Yeah.
With the red bean, I think. I have a 50. I got the small sweet potato. Their small is still huge. And I think there's honey on it. You see this yellow sauce? It's honey. It's too hot. Ready to go shopping at Donkey now. Comfy shoes. Big bag. And I got the small legendary Omurice. That one is a regular legendary Omurice with matcha. Maybe it's called legendary because it has both rice and spaghetti under. This is large. What is this? Strawberry daikaku pie. And then this is the terry tama burger with egg. This is the shrimp burger. The daikaku pie. It looks like red bean and maybe mochi. Try it. Is it? It's actually not as sweet as I thought.
I don't think you got the strawberry. What?